before. Look at your friend. She putting me all those things, and also my picture. Why your friend not advising you to not to do that? Come in the Philippines. I challenge you. Come. I will hit your butt into the jail. Come. Kaya para magdinamay-damay na ni. Dali, come. I know you cannot come here because you're a coward. You're fucking coward. Come, kay very positive. Rabagid nga positive kay ka. Kay laro ka di mong naong nagyaw-yaw ka sa ako, ah. Grabe imong mga friend. Nganong wala ka advice. Pero it's too late na. Dili na ni mo na ma-hide. Kaya naa na dito, naka-record na. Kay magdinamay-damay lagi. Na, damay lagi tanan. Iman eh. Dili ni ka nang kuan ha, nagbahad ha. Damay lagi tanan. Nganong imong mga friend, oh, look at you, oh. You follow on Big Wallet. Onya, and then, if there is a case comes to you, what you got? Did Big Wallet can helping you? Oh, are you sure? You can have afford 42,000 and 82,000? You can afford? You can afford that? You never know. Tell. Ask your friend how much the cyber level. Ask your friend. She knows that how much the bill what you call that, the bill ban on cyber level. How much? Ask. If you're not one, I am na say to you 82,000. Ang anti-photo violate cut 42,000. You can afford that? If you can come here, are you sure that whatever it takes, Big Wallet can depends on you? Oh, how sure you are? How sure you are? How sure lagi? And you imagine that one, huh? If I did not give a chance of your friend, you know what it happens? Because your friend telling to the judge that kind of a video is in the foreigner, not on her. So I'm sure the judge will be said that who is the foreigner who is the foreigner that you tell that that video is he's the one who made that. Oh, I'm sure Big Wallet that one. Oh, magkabutog-butog na. Oh, wa na. That's why Big Wallet ran away because he knows that he's guilty. Kay bulabog mangid na. Oh, mabinisaya tabi. Ay kung may na no, dili man ni kanang naguna-on nagkuha na pod siya nagkuha na pod siya dili. Sultian ta mo sa tinuod no para makaibaw mo ba. Sultian ta mo ha. Ani ni siya. Kung napadayon ako ang kaso, madamay ginang Big Wallet. Inunsa nga pagkadamay. Kaya nisulti man tong kuan. It's the one who obsessed. Yeah. You know Bello? Oy Bello. He thinking that you are your Miko. Bello is a different person. It's not Miko. The alien is thinking that you are Bello. He thinking that you are Miko. It's not. Bello is a different person. That's why I challenge the alien that come in the Philippines. Why you would like you would like that the same on your friend? Imagine Bello ha, imagine if I continue that one that I give if I did not give the chance because the person the person telling to the judge that, oh no, that video, it's not mine. And then the judge said, who is the, oh, what do you mean? Oh, that is not mine, that is in the foreigner. So, when, if I continue, or if I did not give a chance, then, normal, the judge will be said, who's foreigner? Oh, di madamay-damay na. And then when your friends say, oh, the foreigner is a big wallet, he's the one. Oh, patay. That's why the big wallet run away. Because he knows that he's guilty. He's guilty.